How are you, Brother Armin? I am fine, Brother Alim, and you? I am also fine. Nice to meet you, Brother Alim. Thank you. Where are you from? I am from village. Oh. Let's go home. Okay, let's go. Please sit down, Alim. Okay, thanks. Armin, where did you go yesterday? I looked for you. I went to the tree fair to buy some saplings. Tree fair has been going on for last 5 days. It will continue for more 2 days. Who has organized this tree fair? The Department of Agriculture and Forestry organizes this tree fair every year in all towns and cities on the occasion of Tree Plantation Week. Why do they organize this tree fair? It appears strange to me that you are not yet fully aware of the importance of tree plantation. Right you are. Please tell me about the importance of tree plantation. I want to know about it in detail. Trees are our best friends. Trees give us shade and shelter. We cannot think of our existence without trees. They are a great source of our food, vitamins, and furniture. But do you notice that many unscrupulous people are cutting down trees at random? What might be its consequence? If they cut down trees indiscriminately, the country will one day turn into a desert. The temperature will rise and it will cause a greenhouse effect. I think this would not be harmful if people planted more trees after cutting trees. But they seem to be very indifferent to planting trees. You are right. To save life and maintain the ecological balance of the environment, there is no alternative to tree plantation. Now I understand why tree plantation is so important. I think people of all walks of life should come forward to make tree plantation program a success. Absolutely. Let us make aware of our friends and motivate them to plant trees more and more to make our country a land of greenery. Thank you, brother. There was a lot of talk. Let's go today. We will talk again another day. Okay, thank you, Brother Alim. See you again.